To me, Tarantrum is a flow of knowledge, practice, guidance, and truth that has helped me for quite some time in my life now.
When we say Dharanandram, it means flow, the flow of everything which we see and which we don't see also.
There is Dhara and there is Yantram.
It is more of giving which started going on, more than expectation.
My understanding of the word Yantra is something that can channel the energy.
I am the carbon atom on the tip of this pencil. And now I am being transformed to this dot that represents the beginning of infinite possibilities.
So from one dot towards going step by step towards a lot of different things. My experience so far has been really widening, I would say. So it is not just what I'm seeing on the outside, but what is going on inside also matters a lot.
And I think more than me, I have started understanding the non-me. I start calling impurities or things that are not required.
Lots of things around me which takes the space in me that I'm connected with. Many of that was even not required, whether it's memories or it's attachments or whether it's things or materials.
Through these Dhara Yantram classes, the one thing that we have learned is the importance of just staying with my essence. There is transformations happening, but the essence has remained the same.
I can really see the change in me, how I used to think and see things earlier and how I'm seeing them now.
And I think listening to a few of the conversations in this panel made me realize like how each of us have understood and internalized different aspects. And every time I hear it, I'm like, oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
What am I getting from that object, or what am I getting from that relationship?
When you are looking at it as an attachment, there is no freedom, right? There is a hook there. You have to be a certain way. But once you start looking at it as a connection, then there is tremendous freedom.
My journey with Dharantam has mostly taught me to be the witness when I have to and indulge when I have to.
The way it is, changed me, or the way I am experiencing it is like being aware of when I'm getting back into the past, and any second your mind kind of pulls you back, or you experience not what is happening now or what the way things are, but actually seeing them through a bias or a filter.
It has been a process of letting go of many things, forgiving, understanding, loving, and I know it's more.
Dhara flow of the spirit itself, what I connected is with the flow, right? So it's like you start from the sky, you go to the sea, and the cycle continues. And what I've realized over a period of time, or with Dhara classes, sometimes instead of being the water that goes through the journey, I become that rock that blocks the flow. There is so much work to basically unblock it and all that effort. Now there is no effort, just be the water and just flow and allow the spirit to flow from point A to point B. Find the gravity, be the water, go towards the gravity, and connecting those two, connecting any spirit that goes through is what Dhara is for me.
First thing, to understand what grounding is, you need to understand the non-grounding part. When am I actually not grounded? Why do I need this grounding? That is something which I followed. Otherwise, we will not even know what we are searching for. Grounding is a stability which is brought in by the gravity pull of it. And there is a centering to it so that the balance is very stable. When there are more grounded parts, then the personality starts becoming stronger and stronger.
Your journey is like a water pipe, and over the years that we've lived, there has been wear and tear in certain holes that has been formed in that water pipe. So Dharantam for me is about that flow. And every time there is a hole or there is a crack in the water pipe, we go there, we sit with that hole, we fix it, we apply cement or we apply a tape and we fix it, and so that the flow continues. So that is my biggest takeaway from today, to see how different people have worked on different holes and how everybody is flowing in their own way. So thank you everybody for sharing your experiences today.